Milambo nyakorum gajonga dogi chunbo ma Nairobi kaka bende podwa luoni limbe mar Kingi Charles. Kama Kingi Charles manadek oyieni na dier ni Loch jo-Ingeresa ne okelo midhiero ne Jokenya higni ma oheo 60 mokalo. Kingino monenre kama odeo ywak mar Jokenya lose kanyakla mar gago magibedoge kar jot ma jatend piny Kenya William Ruto otieno makawuono. Jatend piny William Ruto kar kamano koni Kenya gi Ingeresa nyaka rang mana yore mag tudruok kod dongruok kata obedo ni historia to nyiso ywaruok mapek manobede kind pinje ariyogo kapok ne Kenya oyudo uhuru. Ruto bende opuoyo Kingi kuom yie ni en adieri ni Ingeresa notiyo Kenya gi loch mar othorotach.
While there has been efforts to atone for the death, injury, and suffering inflicted on Kenyan Africans by colonial government, much remains to be done in order to achieve full reparations. I am optimistic that through the Kenya-UK partnership, we shall keep up our endeavor to inspire the change we hope for by making people and their well-being the fundamental consideration in our pursuit of trade and investment, defense and security, conservation and climate action, research, development and innovation, as well as our work of designing a future that works for present generations and distant prosperity.
It is the intimacy of our shared history that has brought our people together. However, we must also acknowledge the most painful times of our long and complex relationship. The wrongdoings of the past are a cause of the greatest sorrow and the deepest regret. There were abhorrent and unjustifiable acts of violence committed against Kenyans as they waged, as you said at the United Nations, a painful struggle for independence and sovereignty. And for that, there can be no excuse. In coming back to Kenya, it matters greatly to me that I should deepen my own understanding of these wrongs and that I meet some of those whose lives and communities were so grievously affected. None of this can change the past, but by addressing our history with honesty and openness, we can perhaps demonstrate the strength of our friendship today. And in so doing, we can, I hope, continue to build an ever closer bond for the years ahead. As Jomo Kenyatta said, our children may learn about the heroes of the past. Our task is to make ourselves the architects of the future.
Kama chelo njadole Ezekiel Dero Mayan